4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Wausau, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
Issued for northeastern Marathon County until 4:30 p.m. Advised of significant weather conditions for your KSB 362.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wausau around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sunset, Ringgold, Glendon, Camp Phillips Scout Camp, Hogarty, Schofield, Nutterville, and Rib Mountain State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. The following their bulletin. Severe thunderstorm watch number 301 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties.
Be quiet. Good boy.
The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Langlade County, Menominee County, Shawano County, northern Wapaka County until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 11 miles southeast of Dutch Corners to 5 miles north of Amherst, or along a line from 12 miles west of Antigo to 13 miles east of Stevens Point, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wittenberg around 4:20 p.m. Antigo around 4:25 p.m. Neopit around 4:35 p.m. Clintonville and Embarrass around 4:45 p.m. White Lake, Keshena, Legend Lake and Big Smoky Falls around 4:50 p.m. Gardner Dam Scout Camp, Navarino Wildlife Area and South Ranch around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ackley Wildlife Area, Norski, Eland, Northland, Burnhamwood, Anawa, Schmidt Corner, Elmhurst, Iola and Scandinavia. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Langlade, Menominee, Shawano, and Wapaka. The following is a severe weather. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for Menominee County, western Shawano County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Neopit, or 19 miles southeast of Antigo, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Neopit around 4:50 p.m. Big Smoky Falls around 5:05 p.m. South Branch around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Bowler, Tillada, Zor, Middle Village, Lake Nocien, intersection of Highway 55 and County N, Frittenberg Lake and St. Joseph Lake. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 05:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Menominee and Shawano. The following